Perhaps your idea of a relaxing getaway is a visit to the countryside, away from distractions like cell phones and TVs. If so, come with us to Stanly County for a regenerative farm stay at Juneberry Ridge.
Juneberry is a regenerative agriculture farm based in Norwood, North Carolina. We have all kinds of events here, concerts, brunches, workshops, or you could come and stay with one of our destination packages that's all-inclusive and really enjoy a full 3 nights here at Juneberry.
From the moment you drive up that stone driveway, you know, there's a peace that just comes over you.
I feel like I have to plan and coordinate so much in my life, and this was just a breath of fresh air that I could just be here and be nourished.
You can show up, check in, you have a beautiful cabin.
Throughout the Juneberry farm stays, we take care of all meals. There's an arrival reception, there's a picnic basket delivery at breakfast the next morning, there's a communal lunch, 4-course farm dinner.
When you come to Juneberry, you are in fact escaping to the real world. Education is a major pillar of why we exist and who we are and how we want to be remembered. I always tell our tours, my name is Ashton, interrupt me anytime you want to. This will be so much better if we talk with each other instead of me talking to you. 4 out of 5 times I'll get a question of, I just don't know what to plant at my house. How do you get started? And I say, what makes you happy? You know, that's where you start.
Going on a tour of the property, looking at all of the different horticulture, all the different plants, how things were planted, why they were planted that way. When you sit down to have your meal, you know, you can't help but think of all that is going into what is being placed before you. So it took that dining experience for me, it took it to a whole different level of, you know, appreciation and awareness and understanding and a lot of gratitude.
David really talked to us about the food. To me, it's like beauty, it's poetry, it's so beautiful to witness someone that is so passionate about what they do, and you could tell that it was love on a plate.
The food ebbs and flows with the seasons, but also we do try to, even within the season, you know, vary offerings from farm stay to farm stay or week to week. I'm a sommelier by training, do enjoy wine. We will focus on natural wines, biodynamic wines, organic wines to pair with meals. Juneberry at large has a variety of ways that incorporate wellness that aren't on the plate. To me, it all is sort of interwoven.
So many people are looking for the answers. They're looking for something to make them happy. And that's within us. We can each make ourselves happy, just taking time to look after ourselves. Forest bathing is a very slow walk through the forest where we engage all 5 senses and ask you to pay attention to the small things that the forest has to offer.
To be purely present with yourself and how you respond to nature and how nature responds to you, being in that moment was magical. You know, with my daughter and my 4 nephews, you see them interact in nature and it's so natural for them. There's been a huge disconnect between that playful moment as a child to now we're having to be told to be playful and present in the forest when it's been here our whole lives. And that's what Juneberry has really done for me, is to show me that the forest never left us, we just left the forest.
You cannot come to Juneberry Ridge without somehow changing the way that you perceive yourself or the natural world.
You'll find Juneberry Ridge at 40120 Old Cottonville Road in Norwood. To book a regenerative farm stay or any other experience, give them a call at 704-474-7398 or visit them online at juneberry.com.